video is about the ligament of the scapula. This is about the ligaments. This is the part 6, ligaments of the scapula. This is the superior view, of the scapula, and here I will draw the posterior view of the scapula. This is the posterior view of the scapula. Ligament. Firstly, talk about the ligaments. Now, this is a notch. This is a notch. This notch is called suprascapular notch. This notch is called suprascapular notch. Now, this notch is covered by a ligament. This notch is covered by a ligament. This ligament is called suprascapular ligament, or it is also called superior transverse ligament. Superior transverse ligament. This is also called the superior transverse ligament. Through this ligament there is a nerve. This ligament, or you can say deep to this ligament, इस ligament के बीच से एक nerve pass होती है. This nerve is called suprascapular nerve. Suprascapular nerve. This nerve passes through the suprascapular notch, and after the attachment of the ligament, suprascapular ligament, this notch is converted into foramen. Firstly, पहले की नॉच कुछ ऐसा था. This is a notch. This is the suprascapular notch, and this notch is covered by a ligament. This ligament is called the suprascapular ligament, and through this ligament, or you can say deep to this ligament, there is a nerve. This nerve is called the suprascapular nerve. This nerve is called the suprascapular nerve. Now, superior to this ligament, there is a vessel. This vessel is called this is a artery, and side to the artery there is a vein. This is a vein. Both artery and vein are called suprascapular vessels. This vein is called the suprascapular vein, and this artery is called the suprascapular artery, and both vein and artery are called the vessels. This is the structure passing through the suprascapular foramen or suprascapular notch. After the attachment of the ligament, this notch will converted into foramen. This foramen is called the suprascapular foramen. Now, this is the superior view, and on the superior view, this is a ligament. This ligament is called the suprascapular ligament, or you can say superior transverse ligament. This is the superior transverse ligament. Now, the other ligament, it is attached in between the spinous process of the scapula and the glenoid cavity. This ligament is called the spinoglenoid ligament. Spinoglenoid. This ligament is attached in between the spinous process of the scapula and the glenoid cavity of the scapula. This ligament is called the spinoglenoid ligament, and via the ligament this notch is converted into a foramen. Firstly, this is a notch. This notch is called the spinoglenoid notch, and after the attachment of the ligament, this notch will converted into foramen. This is like the foramen, and through this foramen, firstly talk about this. There is a nerve. This is a nerve, and above the nerve there is an artery, and side to the artery there is a vein. These three structures will passes through this spinoglenoid foramen. These three structures will passes through the spinoglenoid foramen. This is a neurovascular bundle. This neurovascular bundles passes through the spinoglenoid foramen. Now, other ligament is there is one ligament. This ligament is called this is a two slips of the ligament. This ligament is called coracoclavicular ligament. This ligament is which is in the two slips. This ligament is called the coracoclavicular ligament, and one ligament is in the single. This ligament is called coracohumeral ligament. Why it is called coracohumeral? Because this ligament is originate from the coracoid process. This is the coracoid process, and it attach into the humerus. That's why it is called coracohumeral ligament. And why it is called coracoclavicular? Because this ligament is attached from the coracoid process and attached into the clavicle. That's why it is called coracoclavicular ligament. And this is called spinoglenoid. Why it is called spinoglenoid? Because this ligament is attached to the spinous process of the scapula to the glenoid cavity. So this ligament is called the spinoglenoid ligament. Now one ligament is also left. This ligament is called the acromioclavicular ligament. This ligament is called acromioclavicular ligament. This is the acromioclavicular ligament because it attached with the acromion process and to the clavicle. That's why it is called acromioclavicular ligament. Now on the glenoid cavity, this is the glenoid cavity, and margin of the glenoid cavity is covered by a capsule. This capsule is called the glenoid labrum or shoulder joint capsule. This is called glenoid labrum or also called the shoulder capsule. And above this glenoid labrum there is articular disc. This black marker, this is the articular disc of shoulder joint. This is the articular disc of the shoulder joint. So this is all about the ligaments attachment of the scapula, part 6. Thank you.